Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. Right there, bam, ES day traders. So that's the ES market, the S&P 500 futures contract, front month in nature, looking at the last print of 908.50. Why did the market fail this breakout attempt this morning on this early Tuesday morning? Well, look at this divergence here. Although we are fully bullish there, fully bullish there, fully bullish there, we have definitely seen a descent amidst these two indicators and definitely an extreme divergence in terms of our primary indicator. These are indicator intraday dynamics that we're looking at. Actually, we can just go ahead and scroll through. So this is Tuesday, the 19th of May. And there, let's just scale out a little bit, shall we? So we can see what we're looking at. So there we go. Trying to break out to a new high, broken out above the early session high, as it were, today. But again, just it would be nice if we can just continue on. If we can hold this trend, we had the retest of the trend this morning. If we can hold this trend around the key 905 level, we'll call it. We're at 909 now, so we have a little bit of breathing room. The problem is the early session high, I believe, was right around 910. Actually, it was 910, a little bit above. And we do have a triple threat bullish bias here, but the divergence is just a little bit of concern, so we'll let price action be the final arbiter. But if we scroll back, we can see a beautiful divergence here amidst triple threat bearishness, and we did continue on higher, so we'll see where we go. We did get the acceleration amidst this indicator right here, what would be a very nice divergence there and full threat bullishness here, leading to that surge midday on this day. Coming into the next day following, we get the choppy early session, but definitely fully bearish there, strong divergence there, and accelerating to the downside were our indicators on Friday. And of course, you get continuation, fall through from probably a price of around 885 to looks like we'll call it 76, 77.25 was the low on Friday. And then we come into Monday. These are intraday dynamics, again, our proprietary indicators. We come into Monday. We do still have bearishness here, but a gap open higher, just couldn't even retrace it. Just a very small and shallow retracement. Didn't even come to the trend. Definitely suggestive of a very strong market environment. We also had our core indicator bullish. These two were bullish, suggesting the market would go higher, and it did. So this was the only thorn in the paw of the market. And so there we are today. We are actually fully green, so we have hope for the markets. We're going to go ahead and switch over. We'll minimize that. And that's a trade that was made today in the disk pad. As you can see, we had our actual buy signal come right around here, 2 bars blue. 905 was the buy signal. Really wanted to wait for a little bit more follow through and confirmation. We did get the follow through back, break above there, and came back to the entry right here after getting this nice little pop. Just got in on a little retracement, got in at 905.50, and got the quick 2 points right there. Market traded through 907.50. Actually, market have touch order at 907.50, so got out at 907.25. But as you can see, the master lead indicator comfortably suggesting that the market was going to move higher right here. And of course, we get the buy signal with the 2 blues, so get the nice little pop of 2 points for the day trade on the disk pad. So now we're looking at a chart of the daily market. This is the daily cash index. We do remain fully bullish on the S&P 500 cash market. As you can see, we have remained bullish, intermediate term bullish and short term bullish for the directional movement bias, although the intermediate term is waning just a little bit. We do have a very strong momentum divergence to the downside, a negative momentum divergence right here. So this was actually a little bit of a sell signal right there on a close of 909.24. Came all the way down to a low of 878.94, so about 32 points for the little bit of a sell signal right there. We actually are short-term bearish now, if you can believe that. This should read bearish. Sorry about that. And but from an official market timing perspective, we remain bullish on the market and move so right around, I don't remember exactly, but I guess we'll call it 800. So nice little 100 points in profit. Took the short-term profits on, or that short profits right around here, around 700, went back to bullish around 800, and the market stands at 900. Fully bullish, but definitely do need to get rid of this 50% bearish bias and break above 950. So that will be the mother of all fulcrums, we'll call it, is 950 in the cash market. Should we get above there, quick move to 1,000, and definitely things will be a lot rosier in the future. But as you can see, this swing point high right here, just really coming down, just to braze that, just see what the water's like, and coming back up. So hopefully we can make some inroads. And let price action continue on higher as we do remain bullish. So we're going to go ahead and switch over. So that's the market. Switch over and look at what do we have here. Here was that trade today in the disc pad. Nice 2187.50 for one trade was the disc pad. But actually quickly we're looking at, move that off of there. We're looking at some different portfolios, essentially some different capital allotments and risk profiles. A lot of our portfolios, our most attractive portfolios, have the highest risk and the highest return. For instance, the dual day trader ES has about 100% drawdown potential, but it's around 1,000, 11, 12, 1,300% in terms of return. A lot of people like those numbers. But just let us know if you guys are interested in some less risky portfolios with, of course, the less return to be expected. Just let us know. For instance, here's an example of the dual day trader ES20, which is a $20,000 portfolio, $20,000 account, and the return is only 605%. Using commission slippage of $26 per round turn, 604.72% return over the last 30 months. Of course, that's about 20% per month. So that's really nothing to sneeze at, but in relative terms to the most aggressive side of this portfolio, it is a little less, about half, but the risk is about half as well, with the maximum risk only being around 50%, which is where we like to keep it generally, and the average drawdown is about 15% on this $20,000 portfolio. So if you guys are interested in some more portfolios with less risk, albeit less return, of course 20% per annum or per month, is nothing to sneeze at. Just let us know. So there's our performance yesterday. I have a banner day yesterday for the mini analyst. As you can see, almost every portfolio, look at the disc pad, up 53.1250. Right off the bat, this target's about 1 to 5% per day, up 21.25% yesterday. Matte Black up 22%, very aggressive yet extremely diversified portfolio, up 22%. And of course, the winner, as always, the MAP DT, the venerable MAP DT, putting in a $6,695 gain, or 35%. There's the disc pad, 53.1250. MFX Lite gains another $2,000 yesterday. There's the MAP Black gaining 2277.50. And if we can go back over here, there's the MAP DT, $6,695 was the gain for the MAP DT, the venerable MAP DT. Of course, you can have any of these versions right now, and you can save 25%. Just enter promo code VIDEO. We'll look at that in a second, but actually you can get that off the MFX Lite as well. Save 25% off the MFX Lite. So either one of those are on the home page. Just refresh if you want the other. There's the 49-day performance of our portfolios with, of course, the MAP DT and posting an eye-popping almost 90% return for the MAP DT. But if you're interested in any of those, just go to the website. There it is. Click on MAP DT. Let's say you want version 3.0. Click on that, and you can go ahead and add to cart. We've actually already got a couple. $2,000 a month for the portfolio, but you can just enter promo code VIDEO and have a whopping savings of $1,375 off 2 MAP DTs and 1 MFX Lite. So just incredible savings. That comes in very nice figures for you. If you have any questions for us, please go to the website and chat with the support team, or shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. We hope you guys are having a great trading week, and we'll see you next time.